In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the error. This unlicensed Adobe app is not genuine and will be disabled soon. Normally, this error occurs when you run a Adobe program such as Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and so on. For you to fix this, you can try this solution. What you can do is go on your Windows icon, click on it, then type in Windows Defender Firewall. Once you type that in, then click on Open. After this opens, you have to go to Advanced Settings. Once you open Advanced Settings, you need to go under Outbound Rules. Then you have to create a new rule right over here, right on your right. Click on it. Then you have to set a new rule. So first, you have to click on Program, then click Next. Here, you have to select a path where you have installed your Adobe program. For me, it's Photoshop. So I'm going to open the path for my Photoshop. Then make sure you select the executable file. There it is, Photoshop. Then click on Open. Then click Next. Then you have to say Block Connections. Then you click on Next. Then make sure that the domain private and public are all ticked. Once it's blue checked, then go to Next. Here you have to put a name. I'll just put Photoshop on my end. For you it may be different, such as Premiere Pro and other Adobe app you're trying to fix. Then click on Finish. And then that's done.